हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल केमिकल की दुनिया। टुडे आई एम ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन थॉट दिस वीडियो हाउ यू कैन प्रिपेयर एंड स्टैंडर्डाइज हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड 0.1 नॉर्मलिटी सॉल्यूशन। सो प्लीज वॉच द वीडियो till the end and please comment if you like or dislike it. Let's start the topic. Preparation and standardization of 0.1 normal hydrochloric acid by using standard sodium carbonate. Hydrochloric acid is not standard substance, therefore it must be standardized by using standard sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate react with HCl, give N HCl and carbonyl acid. Next, preparation of solution. Prepare 0.1 normal sodium carbonate in 250 ml of distilled water. Sodium carbonate is the solid substance. How many grams of sodium carbonate will be required to make 250 ml of makeout? You can easily get it using this calculation. Weight is equal to N into equivalent weight into V divided by 1000. Equivalent is equal to molar mass divided by valency or acidity or basicity. So weight is equal to 0.1 normal into equivalent weight 53 into 250 divided by 1000, it get result 1.325 gram. Dissolve 1.325 gram sodium carbonate in 250 ml of distilled water to obtain 0.1 normal sodium carbonate. Next, prepare 0.1 normality hydrochloric acid in 1000 ml of distilled water. The concentrated HCl has strength of approx 35 to 37% using laboratory. So first of all, find out the strength using this formula. N is equal to SA into specific gravity into 1000 divided by equivalent weight. SA and specific gravity is mentioned in reagent bottle. N is equal to SA is 35% to 37% is given. So mid 36 divided by 100 into 1.19 into 1000 divided by equivalent of HCl 36.458 is equal to 11.75 equivalent per liter. Now putting all these value in this above relation we have to find out the value of HCl which is required to prepare this desired normality solution of HCl by using the formula N1V1 is equal to N2V2. Now let's suppose to make 0.1 normal HCl is 1000 ml of distilled water. So N1 is equal to normality of HCl from which we have to make 0.1 normal HCl. We get N1 is equal to 11.75. N2 normality of the HCl we want to prepare N2 is equal to 0.1. Now V1 value of 11.75 HCl which is required to bake 0.1 normal HCl. We have to find out this value V1. Next V2 value of the solvent in which we have to make 0.1 normal HCl which is V2 is equal to 1000 ml. So calculate the value, which is V1 is equal to 0.1 into 1000 divided by 11.75. So V1 is equal to 8.51 ml. So take 8.51 ml of concentrated HCl with a pipette out and dilute to 1000 ml with distilled water in a 1000 ml volumetric flask to obtain approximately 0.1 normal hydrochloric acid. Next, standardization of HCl vs sodium carbonate. We have already prepared 0.5 normal hydrochloric acid and 0.5 normal sodium carbonate. We will practically show you the standardization. Now start standardization. Take 10 ml sodium carbonate, 0.5 normal solution, transfer to 250 ml conical flask and add few drops of methyl orange indicator and titrate with 0.5 normal hydrochloric acid. Titrate slowly, drop by drop. Friends, as you can see, the end point is faint pink color. Note down the burette reading. Next, calculation. How much take sodium carbonate solution in 10 ml? Burette reading came to 10 ml. So find out normality of HCl using this formula. 0.5 into 10 divided by V. V is the burette rating, came to 0.5 normal. Thank you watching for my video. Please like and subscribe.